How can you fix the battery fluctuation? Like this is my battery on the right top, that is 28%, and if you're seeing that your battery is increasing, your battery is decreasing drastically, so this is all about your battery health. Yes guys, your battery health matters a lot in your iPhone. So today I will show you, today I will tell you the one or two tips how can you maintain your battery health above 80%, so that your phone will be work smoothly without any type of lag or any type of numbering confusion. Firstly, we just need to understand that we cannot work while charging. If you ever put your phone on the charging and you start working on them with the charging socket on, so this is like destroying your iPhone. Yes, the, working while charging your iPhone is damage your battery health, and it will change drastically, and it shows you withdrawal symptoms in just 2 or 3 months. It will show you results that how your battery is damaging. So the first step is to stop using your phone while charging. Let the phone charge first, and then you can use it anytime you want. After that, the second step is very useful, very important. That is, please clean your iPhone. Do not keep extra storage or extra junk files on your iPhone. Do not keep any type of outside application. Do not keep any type of security or threatening application on your phone, because this application takes a lot of battery. They drain your battery. Limit usage of your iPhone, limit usage of your application which takes or drains more battery, like Instagram, Snapchat and YouTube, other applications. So these are some tips by you can just save your battery health and can give a longer life to your iPhone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. If you have any type of question, query or confusion, so just tap that comment into the comment section. We will definitely make a separate video on that soon. Keep watching, keep loving.